Welcome to BEPHOS. I'll now show you how simple it is to use BEPHOS and the app to create a really cool light show for your car interior. Let's get started. Once you've replaced your old bulbs with BEPHOS light sources, activate Bluetooth and then open the app. Enter a username and a car name. I'll go ahead and call mine Nitro. Select an icon and a color for the car. Then enter your password and confirm it once again. You're now the only one who is allowed to control the BEPHOS lights. Now you're looking at the menu that shows all of the BEPHOS light sources you've installed. Mine looks like this. Here's a small tip for naming the light sources. Select a name that refers to the light position in the car, for example, roof left, center and right, or footwell left and right. You'll then know exactly which light you're going to control right now. Once you've completed the naming, you only need to select a color for the icon, and that's it. Of course, you'll need to run that sequence for all of your lights. On to the next step. Hit the New Group button. Set the group name and icon color and then decide on the lights that you want to include in this group. A group can consist of one or several lights, just as you like. You're now almost done. Hit the New Mood button, enter the name, and then select the icon and the color. On the bottom, you'll now see your groups and the selected light sources. Hit the group you want to open. You can now use the BEPHOS color wheel to control all of the colors. Either you select a permanent color and save it to memory by hitting the check mark on the top right, or you select the Effects button to set up specific color effects. You now have two selection options: Strobe or Fade. The strobe mode lets you set up two colors that appear in alternating mode. Simply go to Start, select the first color on the color wheel, return to hit Done, and then select the second color. You can also set up the speed and pulse rate to suit your preferences. Let's now jump to the Fade mode that lets you create transitions between several colors. Go to Start and select the Start color from the color wheel. Next, hit the check mark again and then go to Done to select the End color. This really cool feature lets you experience the entire spectrum between the start and end colors with soft transitions and at a strobe rate just as you prefer. I'll now introduce you to the Preset function. Start this feature by selecting a mood. I've decided to select the Party mood, for example. Open the menu dialog by hitting the three small squares on the top right, then save the mood as standard setting. Your preferred mood starts automatically when you enter the car with your smartphone, provided the Bluetooth connection is up and the app is running in the background. Now, what happens if you forget your smartphone at home, or the battery is low, or Bluetooth is disabled? At this point, the fallback function comes into play. The default setting is always white, but you can set up the colors and effects as you like, also using the three menu items on the top right. That's all about the app. It's now your turn. Get BEPHOS and the app for your smartphone. Be individual. Be different. BEPHOS.